Brought that on us, Z. Oh, here we are, I'm down at the Rakaia river mouth yet again. And going salmon fishing. Salmon and Kahawai. It's southerly today, so it's about 20 degrees cooler. So let's get over there and get cracking. Guy's got one on. Been awesome. Well, here we are at the river mouth. It's high tides in about half an hour. We're going to put a crack for some kahawai. There's quite a few fishermen down there today. The guy over there was just pulling in a small salmon or a trout or something. So yeah, it's looking good. It's way clearer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's about 12 anglers here today. Right, let's get my first cast out. Diving one on. Right, using this one. This is similar to the one I threw in at the weekend. Right, there we go. There we go. On salmon. Look at that. Green spinner. Beauty. It's nice. Right, now we've got this thing. Whatever that is. Tasmanian devil with a skirt on it. Wave. These two guys, sou'wester today. Right, now we're having a crack for the salmon. I've got my Daiwa Ad 4000 and my that 7 to 28 gram 4 to 8 kilo salmon rod, and I'm currently drop shotting with a Z-Man curly tail grub. Nearly everyone left, so see what happens. High tide has passed now. Be on its way out. Closer. Send the salmon all the way out there. So that's just bouncing along the bottom, perfect. guy over here is called a seagull. Love it. Oh, but it wasn't. Right, I'm going to die with bait junkie curly tail grub. I've hooked him up a bit. I don't know what happened there. Hook's moved. Should be alright, hopefully. Went up to a 1/2 ounce jig head. So I can just feel. Fucking beautiful. Here we go. Here we go. It's a sea run brown, I think. It'll be my first one ever. It says soft baits don't work. Smashed it. Right, there's the soft bait out. Fucking magic. Right, we're going to put this little beauty back because she's only small. There you go. That's what I caught that on, a Z-Man Slim Swims bloodworm. Fairly certain it was a sea run brown. It was keepable, but it was pretty small, so I set him free. Even though it would have made a nice meal. You can only catch 2 of them, so what's the point in keeping a small tiny one like that? Well, I'm just working my way through my soft baits. I'm going to try this. Go with the black curly tail again. I've already had a take on that, but that was something bigger. Oh, well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I certainly enjoyed my little trip. Please like and subscribe and anything that can help my channel if you would like. Cheers. See you later.